Hi guys, County Guy here. Haven't made a video in one hell of a long time, probably about a year and a half or so. I'm gonna try to get back in the swing of things. I hit a bunch of yard sales this weekend. Did the I'm in Indy. They had the US 40 garage sale going on, and my God, there was way more than I could ever hit. I did get out Saturday for about 4 hours. I didn't have a whole lot of time. I didn't hit nearly as many of them as I could have, but I did get some decent stuff here. I got a big load of hats, which I haven't gone through yet. That paid 15 bucks for all the hats, and there's quite a few here. And then I got a bunch of these metal belt buckles that I paid $1 a piece for. So let's kind of go into things and see what we got here. All right. First one is Be Like a General Tires. I just broke into the belt buckle business probably a year and a half ago. I can thank that to the Crazy Pickers Life guys. They always buy belt buckles. I didn't really get into the belt buckles till I started seeing them doing it. But I've been picking these things up. I mean, like you said, for like $1 a piece. They'll sell usually minimum 15 bucks on eBay. Cost a couple bucks to ship. $3 to ship them. Sometimes I've had some that have sold up to 40 bucks, but they're very cheap, and a lot of people don't pay attention to these at sales. So always look out for these type of items, small stuff that ship for 3 ounces. You can't beat it. And they're sturdy bronze belt buckles, mainly from the 70s. There's Road King, Irvin Gravel Company. Most of these are solid bronze. I mean, they're really nice belt buckles. Pepsi-Cola hits the spot. There's the back of it. It's actually a gun store that was selling these out in the front of their store. I guess they couldn't sell them in the store. Navistar 50 years, 1988. Which is the same as International Harvester. Here's a Cleveland Indians one that's still in the box. And then we got a school bus one here. The more weirder and the bigger they are, the more you'll get out of them too. Here's a cool one, EMT. There's the back of it. So that's it for those. Let's get those out of the way. Just a second here. Alright, on to the hats. I haven't been through these yet. Most of these are farm hats. Money's Innovative Roofing, Ellis Excavating. There's a few sports in here, but I didn't see a whole lot of them. That one. Got some trash here. Brick and ceramic tile. These are trucker hats, farmers hats. Most of them are pretty clean. Some of them aren't. This one ain't very good shape. Nelson Oil Company Sitco. There's a Colts hat. It's like a old trucker style. It's decent shape. Roofing tiles, Frosty Boy, all kinds of little local businesses. The Florida Swing, Red Carpet International. I don't know what that one is. Come on, give me some good hats. There's a UPS hat. Just have to clean it up a little bit. I'm sure it'll sell. Mechanics Laundry. Dick Bond's Homes. Just a striped hat. Justice Equipment. There is some duplicates in here. Mechanics Laundry. Mobile. Uh, Trucking Parts, Florida. Yeah, Trucking Parts. That's nice. American flag. Alright. Caterpillar, John Deere, that kind of stuff. It will sell. What's a farm hat? Associated Groceries, old trucker style hat. It's probably 80s. Got a few of them. Let's get some more of these down. What do we got here? Park Chapel Christians. Decatur Hills. Roofing Tile. Joe Marlin and Sons. Trucking, Canby. MoneyGram. Refuse Hauling. Jackson Oil. Concrete Crushing. This guy was probably a truck driver. It's an older guy. Central Indiana Mac Sales. Mac Trucks has got good at following. Park Chapel. Another Associated Groceries. IMI, it's Concrete Company. There's another one of those hats with the flag. It's all embroidered. Oh, some of these hats are kind of falling apart too. Lone Oak, 1982. Trailer and Martin. Get off there. Concrete. MoneyGram. The Future, The Leader, The First, The Finest. Swartzky. However you pronounce that. New Palestine Drywall. Alright. Not sure on that one. Best Way. Come on, baby. Find me some good ones. Jackson Oil. Phillips 66. Justin Equipment. Associated. There's a Colts painter hat. MAB gave it away probably. Somebody might want it. Levy Contract. You'd be surprised the most obscure hats will sell. I've been selling hats for years on eBay. Terex. It's falling apart. It's getting all the crap on the other hats. Southside Landfill. Two of those. Working Together Works. Joe Marlin and Sons Trucking. Southside Landfill. Maytech. Captain's hat. Kinda like it when it's got the wings on it. I don't know how you pronounce that, but I've got a few of those. Southside Landfill. Oh, there's an old sports hat. St. Louis Cardinals. Old decent snapback. That'll sell for a little bit. 15, 20 bucks. Hertz Penske. That'll sell. Carlisle. New York Con. New York Con. Cameron Ashley. A lot of them are just businesses. Southside Landfill. That ain't nothing there. It's the first time I've looked all the way through these, so I don't know what's in here. PAI. Southside Landfill. There's a Phillips 66 Racing, which I get a lot of racing hats in this series, being an Indy. Nice Napa hat. Napa hats will sell. Napa Auto. On your roof. Okay, next batch. RFI, don't know. Lawson. Southside Landfill. Trans-America official sponsors 84 Olympics. So that's got something to do with the 84 Olympics. San Diego, California. Santan Roofing. RFI. Don't know too much about that. Yeah, there is a lot of duplicates here, but the hats are pretty much in good shape. Preston Safeway, it's an old grocery store chain that's not really around here anymore. That's a blank. Garden of Gears from Phoenix, Arizona. Roofing tile. Okay, what else we got? Still digging. Jackson Oil, Phillips 66. Another blank. It's like an old golf hat. Well, not worth much. Ferro concrete. Terex. Old Goodyear hat. Old Goodyear hats always sell. These always sell. $20, $25 range. Got one, two. Well, there's at least two of them there. PAI, Prairie Farm. Let's see what else is here.